Wanna know how to get suggestions in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So just simply open up your web browser and type in replit.com, and once you're there, on the top left side, you should be seeing this Replit icon right here. So you can just simply select it. And now once you have selected it here, you should be seeing your account right here. So make sure you are logged in. So if you are not logged in, we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, you should be provided with this interface, and right here you should be seeing your prompt. So right below the prompt, you should be seeing suggestions right here, that is get suggestions. So you can just simply select it, and now once you select get suggestions, here you should be seeing a random suggestion that pops up on your prompt right here. So it says creating a simple application and export to CSV with the good details. You can also select again to switch it until you find the right one that you want to experiment with, and that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also improve prompt by selecting this improve prompt button right here, and it should improve it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.